Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi denied access problem while connecting to Wi-Fi. So guys, if you are trying to connect any Wi-Fi with your device but you are facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and go to Wi-Fi settings. And then you have to simply forget that Wi-Fi for one time. So guys, you have to simply forget that connection for one time, and after this try to reconnect your Wi-Fi again. So guys, simply tap on that available Wi-Fi and then tap on forget this network and then tap on forget. So guys, forget the network for one time, and after this reconnect the network again with your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device for one time and also restart the router or Wi-Fi router again. So guys, simply restart your device and your router again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to make it so that your device is not blocked on the available network. So guys, if your device is blocked from the router settings, then you will not be able to connect this Wi-Fi anymore. And make sure that the limit of connected device is not full, and if it is full then you will have to wait for some time, or you have to disconnect any other device to connect your device with the available network. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.